Welcome back to What I Tasted. I'm Jeremiah. Today I am going to be making another recipe for 31 days of Halloween. The recipe I'm making today is Ghoulish Gyoza. Okay, so I'm going to add some tofu. So I'm going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder. I'm going to add some umami sauce, some sesame oil, and now I'm going to add a bit of spinach. Okay, I'm going to blend this up. Now I added just a little bit of flour to this mix, just to thicken it up a little bit. So I'm going to take a few of these. Okay, so basically like so. Alright, so the skillet is nice and hot. I'm just going to add these right in. Okay, so I have the gyoza plated up. Now, just making fun little plate design, and now we have the Oogie Boogie Man. Okay, so the gyoza is done. I showed you how to make it ghoulish. Now all that's left to do is to try it out. You can fry it and it tastes fantastic. I'm sure you could steam it and it tastes just as fantastic. It would definitely change the flavor. I would say that if you steam it, then you probably want to go with like a sesame oil on the side and some soy sauce on the side. If you fry it, just going with like a spicy sriracha sauce is fantastic with it. Alright, there it is. Another 31 days of Halloween recipes. Make sure you check out some more, because I got some more coming your way. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.